Get ready for a colorful adventure. Today, I am here to spark your imaginations and teach about creativity. Whether it's through art, music, or problem solving, we will show you how creativity helps us think outside the box and express ourselves in amazing ways. So, let's dive into a world of endless possibilities and unlock our creative superpowers with me, Super Curly.
Super Curly's world is full of dreams. With creativity, nothing's as it seems. A simple thought can grow so wide when imagination takes us on a ride. Painting skies with colors bright, building castles that reach new height. With every idea, a spark is born. In the land of dreams, we are never torn. Creativity, let it flow. In everything we do, watch it grow. Super Curly knows, and now we see there's no limits to what we can be. Drawing, building, dancing too, there's no end to what we can do. With every pencil, brush or pen, creativity shines again and again. When problems come, don't be afraid. Creativity finds a brand new way. A twist, a turn, a brand new start. Ideas can come from the heart. Creativity, let it flow. In everything we do, watch it grow. Super Curly knows, and now we see there's no limits to what we can be. So let's explore, invent and play. Creativity lights up every day. With Super Curly, dreams take flight. Our ideas make the world so bright. Creativity shining through. There's nothing we can't dream or do. Super Curly's here, and now we see, with creativity, we are truly free.
What a creative journey we've had today. We discovered that creativity is all about using our imagination to solve problems, express ourselves, and make the world a brighter place. Remember, your creativity is a superpower you can use every day. Keep thinking outside the box, stay curious, and never stop creating. See you on the next adventure with Super Curly. Don't forget to subscribe to Super Curly and Friends channel and get notified. Thanks guys.